Hello, I'm Fairy and I'm here to take your picture for school book. You can call me Fairy. You look so stunning. You look gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love your eyes. Like, the whole makeup you did there, it's awesome. It's really, really awesome. Okay, so tell me, are you nervous? I know, like, taking pictures must be like some scary for some people. When I was in school, when I was your age, I was like really, really nervous. Because I always like look so bad, like so awful on pictures. I thought that, but like, no, you look awesome. You know, you look so photogenic. Are you photogenic? I bet you're photogenic. Do you want like a lamidito? I got to switch. We call in my language, like just a little bit of a fix. Okay, awesome. Okay, just lower your head a little bit. Okay, look to the side, please. To the side. Look to this side, please. There's just some little baby eyes, like me too. Okay. Okay, I think that's almost. I'm almost done. Just hang there. I think. Okay. And we're almost done. Just one more step. Okay. amazing. You look even more gorgeous, I have to say. Okay. Okay, okay. Let me get the camera. It's an old camera. I think you will like it very much. It's perfect for this kind of pictures because it brings out your most beautiful style. Tapping on the camera, it's good luck. Yes. It helps to create to take better pictures. Gives very good luck too. Like if you take apart the camera, it's a good omen. Are you ready, sunshine? Let's just take a picture. Okay, we're gonna do like two, let's see, better three poses, okay? And you choose which one you like best. Okay? Okay. Done that. Now give me like extremely cheerful, you know? Like so smiley and like so good positive vibes, okay? Camera, look at the camera, look at the camera, look at the camera, look at the camera. No, for the last one, I need you to give me like your past photo shoot face. Okay? It's perfect. Okay. I can see the pictures and they're so amazing. They're so amazing. Like I kid you not, like they're so cool. They're so good, so good. So good. Okay. I'm gonna send this to you and you're gonna choose which one. We're gonna use school book here.